all of the ideas, if I understand this today, are going to be like under $100?
Yes, every idea is under $100, and at the very end, if you combined all of them, still under $100. All right, so let's get started. So my favorite way for high impact, low cost is to paint your front door. All right, it's super easy.
This is really trendy now too, even up in the mountains and in the country where I live.
So this is a really great way. You can use any color, but right now some colors that I'm loving that are totally trending. This deep kind of, it's like a medium blue. This would look really nice against a neutral house color, okay? And then...
So you're going a little deeper against a white. Right.
Exactly. So this one is more of like a blush pink. Now I would use this against a really dark color, a charcoal house, a black house. It would look really good.
Oh, that would be sexy.
It would be really sexy. So this color is my personal favorite. This is like a lime green. I actually have this on my front door. It makes a huge impact.
Now that is not lime, that is clearly guacamole.
I love it. Well, let's see how guacamole looks on a house. So here we have a neutral house, right?
Okay.
And now we're going to add the lime or guacamole.
Whoa!
Cool, right?
Now that looks like a party house.
It does look like a party house.
I love it.
My house is wild. I have 4 kids.
Cool.
So come on over here. I have another idea. All right, so house numbers. You can get really creative with your house numbers. So this is a planter box that we already had, all right? And we picked up some new house numbers for it. Now, these are kind of the, slippery guys, these are kind of the typical house numbers, old school. They come in so many better fonts now, so you can go really modern with it. So what we've done here is we've pre-drilled the holes, all right? And then we're just gonna pop it in, all right? And then you put the little fasteners on the back and see how great that looks?
The little like wing nut things?
Yeah. Okay. Add a plant. Looks pretty good. Okay.
Awesome.
Really good. Now, take a look over here. If you wanted to do it up on the house, this is a project I did.
Cool.
So this can go right on the house with tiny little succulents in it.
Yeah.
Really cute. But let's see how this can add to our front door appeal. So.
Oh, I love this fake house. It's really fun.
Isn't it great? All right, so that looks super good, right?
That looks amazing.
We're not done yet.
Okay.
So for this one, we have a front door mat, super plain. Like you can grab these for like $5, right? And we are going to level it up big time. So I have cardboard here, and I've made a stencil. Now, I chose to say like, hey there, I just think it's fun, but you could do a last name or anything like that. And we're gonna add just a little piece of tape. You can tape that one, just to hold it in place. I'm gonna tape this side. And then using exterior spray paint. You want to make sure it's outdoor.
Exterior so it doesn't wipe, right, it's got to be weatherproof.
Yeah, you want it to be weatherproof. And you're going to hold this down. I'm going to ruin my manicure, but it's okay. All right, so you hold it pretty close, and you're going to spray in your letters. All right? And
I would actually do this outside?
Yes, you definitely want to spray paint outdoors.
All right, we're good.
We're good, okay. So.
I got to be able to cook. I'm going to set myself on fire.
It looks pretty good, right? Okay, wait. Grab that, and I'll grab this. This is how it could look after. All right, so you put yours there. Now, interior decorators have been layering rugs inside for a long time. I love the idea of doing it outdoors, too. So you take your simple mat, and this entire thing, $30 for both of them.
Wow.
Really great, right? So you can kind of see where we're going with this. All right.
It's amazing.
We're still not done. We've got more yet.
Oh, no, we're not even done yet.
Got another under $100 idea. So Pavers, these are bricks, but you can
we know Pavers up in the country. Because everything's bumpy, we got to make it flat.
Yes, and you can pick them up really inexpensively. So what we've done here is taped off kind of a modern geometric pattern. So you want to grab some paint and paint right along the edges with this. Now, this can be used for like walkway edging, or you could create like a little, like a mini patio area.
Yeah.
There's just a lot of ways that you can change these up with just paint. All right, so look, when you pull that off, you're kind of going to have the idea
that's so cool.
of that. Now, if you want a little bit more, like if you want to level this up and go a little bit more intricate, you can check it out here. You could use a stencil.
Whoa.
And no matter which one you choose to do, they're going to be about $30 because stencil, paint, these are really inexpensive. So every idea we did was under $100.
All of them, including Pavers?
But if we did all of these projects for one pretend amazing house, we could do it for under $100, $95.
You're brilliant.